Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I greet you with peace and I greet you with love. I just read the press conference that was released by our Edo State governor. Please share this video. Share the video. I just read the press statements that was released by our Edo State governor. Governor Obaseki, are you too big to make a press conference or go straight to the palace to apologize? I will rephrase the question again. Governor Nyagase Obaseki, are you too big to go to the palace and see our Oba and kneel down and apologize? Are you bigger than the old Benin people worldwide? Are you bigger than the old Edo people worldwide? Are you bigger than the old African people? Are you bigger than us? You went behind our Oba and be making agreements that they don't ask you to make. And now that everything is exposed, now you are saying no problem. You are even releasing a statement through your secretary. Mr. Osarajo Ogie, with all due respect, me wo wie dok pataki webekin. Wana ma se no tamo Obaseki ge wa ari egwa ya mioba. No ya digwe mioba. Una not wish to advise Obaseki since he don't know our way. You are releasing a statement, a writing statement. So now statement you wanted to talk to us. When you dey campaign, you not write statements. You sabi to travel from Europe to Europe. You sabi to go from one place to other place. Go dey talk. Now you don't shit for us now. Now paper you can't they talk to us. Now social media you can't they talk to us. We Edo people worldwide. We demand you to give a press conference and issue official apology in any way where you don't disrespect our royal father, our Osalobua in human form. This is what we demand from you. And you're not too big past this one. You must apologize. For you to vex the gods, vex the ancestors, you must apologize. So that Obako need to first call the whole world. Need to come and explain himself. Then a fall the hand of Obaseki. They fall our hand. Now you write press statements because we know why you write that press statements. You are angry. You are bittered. They even write time for you, self. Not be you even use your own right time. Because you the paro. As we they talk now, you the verse. You the verse. Now make you not feel comfort of TV. But we want to see you in front of TV. Call the national television. Call the state television. And come and speak to Edo people worldwide. If you deal with Obaseki, you know they tell them the same thing. Orion Tedo or Uhin. If you deal with Obaseki, you know they advise them the same thing. Orion Ba or Uhin. Orion Mani Yedoya or Uhin. Because Obaseki is not too big. As this thing don't hot rich. As this thing don't hot rich. You're not too big. So if you don't want to apologize, Edo people will go march come your office. We'll march come your office because this thing not end here. Don't just think you cannot say, no problem. No problem there. Problem already sakwa. Because to say problem not there, you for quit do what you need to do right. You for listen to our Oba. Now you want to tell us, say no problem. Now so you know if it distress. Now you want the right time. Whether they call you, you're the bounce palace phone call. Whether say invite and call, you not go come. Now you the right statements. Not be you even right sound. Cause you the verse. You the verse. We want me you show that destination. We want me you use your governor power. Use them. Use them. Since you say that you be governor, can't use your power. Kill all Edo people through away. Because now you be the Alpha Omega now. You too big to come palace. Can't tell Abba say, if I allow Egui, I be get good. Oh, everything when you write so for paper. What is stop you to not come palace, not talk out with your man if you are really serious. We don't trust you, eh? We don't trust Obaseki. That's a fact. If you have not signed the petition, go and sign it. We want to start the negotiation all over again. Bini artifact belong to Bini people. Now you and Oyibo people know it when they talk. Our artifacts now we belong to. Now we know how we want to do them. You as a state governor, are you not enough to build a standard museum, give Edo people, if you really care about us? You don't feel build ordinary museum, you don't feel build them. If not so, we'll come employ in foreigners where you come to teach us how we'll take to manage the things if that is so necessary. Can't you invest in your father's, sorry, not be your parland. Can't you invest in the land where make you governor? At least for we to even make you governor, that one alone, reach where you feel stay, my still do one for them. No need do anything. Now what if I day your high? So now you think say we not get sense. You come back release press statement. We are can't relax like mumu. You think say we man yet though. You think say na so we your take kind don't end. We need to see you. Come palace. Come and make official apology. They make press conference. Tell the Edo people how you waka, how you sleep, how it happen. Everything you write now for paper, come read that to us. We want to read your energy. As you dey read them, your face. We want to read your body language. We want to see you, Obaseki. Fall out. Not come they hide. They tell your person, may go type something for computer, come print and come stamp and say that those things. We don't need paperwork. We don't need bureaucracy here. We not go school, we not sabi read. We want to see you talk to us. Come and talk to us. Come and talk to us. Oviedo, if you know say you there around, we are going to Stuttgart. 2 weeks from now, we are going to Stuttgart. We'll post the flyer in a few days from now. Because Stuttgart now the another headquarter where our artifact full. So we want to follow state by state, city by city, where this artifact they want to follow around. We want to let them know, say any negotiation where they don't do with Governor Obaseki, we not there into that negotiation table again. If they're ready to bring our team, make them come talk to us. And if they carry and give anybody, we go sue their ass. We'll sue them. Because you stole something from somebody, you have to give it back directly to the person you stole from. That is the laws of nature. You know if you turn around. And Obaseki don't represent us, so not being the talk for us. In a Nigeria government representative, may they go to do Nigeria politics, may not concern our ancestral heritage. Because when we they do all these things, they go through all these traumas. Nigeria never would exist. So Obaseki, now you and your friends know the agenda. Any official statement you want to release, do it publicly. Release public. Okay, what do you they expect? Say you don't write something. We are Obaseki don't write. We not sabi read. Mama J school. We don't know how to read. We don't know how to read. Come and talk to us. Don't want any go with him. Now name here sunukedo ade. You never suppose run go palace. You never suppose run go palace. We hear say you dey one place, they find you the vest, carry head face war. Cause your job don't knock. You can't dey order people, make them the right letter they give us. Who again me vie do fo? Obaseki see do people finish. If you do wa beg na. Or wa mima fo. So for we to know, say you never see us finish, for we to know, say you still get respect for us, you have to come and make a press conference. The same stress where you make our Oba go through, you need to still come make a world press conference with everybody wanna gather, they do the discussion. Come make press conference, come tell everybody where una sleep, where una go, what una don't discuss, what they don't give una, paper where you don't quick you sign, what you never sign, what be the plan. Come and show us the transparency where you talk about Obaseki. Come and show us every dime where you don't spend for the money where the carry come. Come and tell us how many of those youths now don't give money to. Not be una boys for politics. I talk about the normal organic youths, the real normal ones. How long will continue to tolerate this nonsense? They will come and say Nigeria not good. See, and our own blood brother. No problem, I see brother. Now our own blood brother, they do this one to us now. Shall not be Fulani man, no. Shall not be Igbo man, no. Shall not be Yoruba man, no. Our own blood brother, where we be things say we love, he love us. Now he constantly treat us like this. Now you constantly treat us like, what you can expect me like Mohammed can do if you feel they do this one? What you can expect me Buhari can do if you feel they do this kind of thing? And you all expect, say you don't write paper, then may we all rest. That's insults. Why they make back kunuka ye yo to? Don't they do like that? I know say you go the verse for Guname, but that vaccination not go still help you. It not go still help you. Come out, make a press conference, address all Edo people. Let us know that you're sorry if we feel or you disrespect our Oba. Talk to us. And then go palace. Meet our Oba. Speak to our Oba. Our Oba, they don't flog you for palace, even if they get right to, but they don't flog you based on the governor. At least they'll give you chance. You still can't apologize. They see us finish. They fall our hand for Nigeria. You Obaseki, they fall our hand. You everybody love. Now you can't they fall our hand. You now can see they fall our hand. So you too big to go palace. That's what you are telling Edo people. You are too big to go to palace. You are too big to apologize. You are too big to address us the way you're supposed to address us. So all you can do now to order person make the right paper, print them for computer, make you scan them, compost them. Social media governor. Now me say you suppose go meet Biafra people. Now they be online country. Person like you suppose go be their president. Since now online digital things now as I be do. Not be a door where we get red sansa. We now organic things. Not come they use that do online activities. Which work you do, go online. Which project you do, go online. Which statement you talk about artifact issue, go online. Now online. Now we come to see everything about you. We for vote for you online now. May we see whether na comment section go make you governor. Now WhatsApp will for do your election now. May we see whether na Telegram or WhatsApp go make you governor. Or na Facebook. Online governor. Biafrans, IPOB, Mona Konkare, with Dashu now, this one. Mona te do now online president. After all, now they support him. Now they support him because wetin one spoil Edo, now those mumu they support. Because they be our enemy of Edo people. E bad thing they call Edo, they go they support him. E good thing they call, they go, they don't want pull hand. Now they support Obaseki now. Mona Konkare with Dashu now. With that shoe now, Mona go do online governor. they address us with piece of paper where you scan. Now insult. Over do not get an egg, if you know the verse you were winner, now be the facts. Or Bava Boridi no. No Wokan Yaku. So Obaseki, if you never still recognize that fact, meaning something is wrong. And with the weight, with the wash. But tomorrow I'll post the exactly dates where will they go Stuttgart. If you feel come. If you not feel come, we go still the move. We not dey expect anything from you. Because time don't reach where we'll negotiate again. Ask Obaseki. When they talk with German minister, foreign minister, and minister of culture and arts, ask them, did you ask them how many Edo children they don't collect from our Edo sisters? Did you ask them? Did you ask them how many Edo people their mental health facility where they conclude say their head not correct? You know how many of our brothers and sisters that tie with shame, they'll say their head not correct. Meanwhile, maybe not their juju, they catch them, but they'll say that they crazy, or you tie them up, lock them somewhere, collect their phone. They know they feel even call their papa, they know they feel call their mama. You as a governor, you don't go question these people. To tell go see, even see how they take day. If I say this one, you say, but I'm not a ambassador. But I'm not a foreign minister of Nigeria. That is not my job. Now your job to come the thief, when they phone you, they follow, they negotiate our artifacts. Now let that one be your job, Abi. Now let that one be your job. You know how many Edo people do Aduroas for Germany? Show me the data, if you know. Tell us how many Edo people they Aduroas for Germany. What is they wrong if you negotiate with German government? Make the open factory for Edo so that will deport them, carry them go there, make them they work for that factory. What is they wrong if we do better discussion? Now they talk only about money. Money where we not go see what we use and do. At the end is you go enter voicemail. We not trust una. Mona come on hand. The name, not be una not understand, not be even the name be the problem. Even if Obaseki agree and say, okay, since una not like a mu call a Benin Royal Museum. Nah, we not go still green. You not go get hand for inside the issue at all. Now that one we stand put. You, your government, you not get hand. Only federal government based on them be Nigeria, and we still there under Nigeria. Only them now go involve put, and as they receive and they'll come deliver to us direct. So any international institution who want to help us, he go come give us money, we'll come by ourselves, build that museum, then they will come get people, we're going to take care of the thing. It go be our property. You need to come back to us, not be waiting that they propose. Because many of you don't know what MOA be. MOA are just international institution where we can build museum to put this artifact inside. Not be a dope people get you not go even get access to the doma to the artifact. It go be like Igbo people can't build museum for our land. Now then go they control and they rule land, they control everything. Security where they go tight like say you they want enter World Bank. Now so they wanted do now make me say MOA a scam. To take collect our team from us completely finished, but he go there our land though, yet we will not still see him. They'll go through many security clearance before if you enter MOA. If you not get level, you not fit enter MOA. Now that kind of thing I want me to subscribe to. No now. If not so, may you de Berlin. So that will not say still there with them. If not so, may they London. So that will not say still there with them. Not be the one where you come the one they do like say we not go school. You want to do things, you do it right. And that's why they appeal to Edo people. Mona they come out, they speak. Come out and speak. Especially now where they Germany. Now they lock yourself inside house. Come out, come talk. But if you not talk, you'll die there. They'll use your dead body to do experiment. Now you lose. This is facts. Now it's the happen here every day. How many of you get insurance? Say as you did now you don't insure your life. Say something happen to you, they'll carry your body go back to your country. Una they pay. So if you get accident now, your children life don't better. Una they insurance self. So una they come out, una they know things. Deutschland not be long way be say you all day, you say you don't there, everything don't good. No, you must position yourself. The way when you and your future generation take their position. But if you not come out, you don't know anything. You have to say now all about you go work, you go laga, you come back house, you go laga, you come back house, you all become machine. And then you can't weak your waist to don't break. You can't you can't go dash away for your homeland. And that kind of life you need. That kind of life you need. So you have to speak. Now when you still get strength to stand and speak. Not be later when you don't weak, when you be saying enough even raise muscle up. So when you see people like Obaseki, when they say your future, you need to speak. We don't speak now, me say we hate or we want fight. No, we don't speak because we not feel quiet. Not feel quiet, be like volcano with the boil inside our stomach. Imagine, instead of Obaseki to come make press conference, address those people worldwide, or come to palace, come meet the chiefs, the Oba. Wàrí ẹgbẹ́ wo ẹgbẹ́ bàbá wa là ọ́ yìí ìmẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ rí ọ̀nà wàá gbé ìmẹ̀tẹ́wé ìmẹ̀gáwé ẹ̀sẹ̀ níbi ẹ̀dọ́ okay ma dédi wàtá a problem yìí rọ wà báyìí wẹ̀ ẹ̀ náà báyìí wẹ̀ ẹ̀ náà you dey write no be you even write and tell person make dem type. They don't type, you don't send down. So you can call your international people now, the Germans. You can tell them, say, I don't know the other problem, oh. He don't want us to do it the way we talk, oh. No problem. If not the name is his problem, let's just change the name and call it the name he wants, so that everything can continue as we plan. No! You still not get the code. You still not get the code. We don't want your finger inside that discussion table again. The next picture where we go take, we don't want to see your face for that circle of that table again. Focus on your manifesto. Focus on what you promise that those people say you want to do for them. Come on, for what you concern our ancestors. Come on, we don't want to see. If they verse our ancestors, say you, they even evolve put. In case you don't know, ya fear ya many time we now. Every man illegal we you understand. When you fear yo, our ancestors not they happy say you they even involved for this issue. They're not they happy. They're not they happy. And because they're not they happy, now make me the verse. Because now we still be our ancestors. So do what is right, Mr. Governor. Do what is right. Now when the time still there, a letter where you scan for your computer, post on social media, not be so you want to correct the damage. The damage don't pass one way letter the address. But we're about to come make WordPress conference. Now there you for spoil everything. You don't spoil everything. I'm any Lugone or Lugone. The only thing we go make that medunana, you will see you kneel down, they apologize to our Oba. That's the only way if you take fix this damage of Obaseki. In case people were there around you never advise you, now so it happen. That's the only way. If you say you not doing like that, no problem. Show your governor power. May we see how you fit do them. Show your governor power. We want to test out your governor power. Show am for Edo people body. You fear arrest one person, lock up. No, we want to make you show am for the whole of our body. May we show you how we still today. I send you peace and love. Share this video. May for hear am. May know say we never belle fool. Obana made a verse for your matter, Obaseki. Ogwanso Gwanfan don paro for your matter. Any cow mo yemenwe. So paper not go solve this one. Paper not go solve this one. Oh, we are one me gwa. We are the gbe when we ne vavata. When we degbe yawe. We me you don't know Bini tradition. You don't know our tradition, Obaseki. You don't know tradition. If you don't know, they don't teach you. You too big to apologize. Mufe live here. I bet we enter Stuttgart. They prepare yourself now. Not in 3 days, I'll post the date. I have to wait for confirmation from the mayor of Stuttgart. Not in 3 days, we'll post the date. Exactly the date, may you for know. May you they prepare. If you feel enter, enter. If you not feel enter, we go. We go. You see, Douans, we still Douan rich. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.